Come in. Come in. What?
Oh, God.
Very good.
Yeah, man. You go and check everything there.
Yeah, you look nice, no? Wow.
Sorry.
I like that piece. They are eating
Crackers you eat.
Man, no one girl.
But you know that you can call me, man. If anything happen, you just call me. Now I'll help you out.
Never did want to fish. I want my friend pass by and give me a toast and some mango.
So, okay then.
Boy, not doing too bad enough to go to school. We soon come back and know anyway. You know, for the crackers thing. So we're going with you.
I'm okay now, just come to check by because we come in a place and me here, so things not go so good for you.
Me I tell her, it's a the rough. Remember, say me alone, you know, I don't have no baby father. And me have to find school fee. I have to find food, everything. Sometimes I'm stressful, I not even know how I'm going.
You can say if I can help in any way, shape or form. You hear?
Yes.
So don't worry yourself. But never that pick up no more man because you go through a lot with man. You know, say yes, where me come from.
Me I tell her.
Abuse, rape from father come right down and then you jump in a chop with man.
Me not even would know, so imagine say me would have conceived.
My God.
Anyway, enough of that for me and my story, yeah. I start up on thing. But what really bring you down here? Cause you know just stand like that, you know. You, me know you're too good. You find man down here, so you laugh.
Well, I'm a really fine man, but me and you know I use up the running mark.
Where? Where you do on the road?
I shot me go.
No shop not up there, so. Me know you.
See Juice, yeah?
A long time me living in this community. Before even your mother live a long time too. No shop not up there, so I down there, so I shop there and two shop out the road. Little girl, where you do on the road? Tell me the truth. Little girl, tell me the truth.
I got my shop somewhere on this.
Clear. Me just tell us say no shop not up there, so and you know say no shop not up there. Where you coming from?
But one new shop they up there.
You too lie. Clear? Me know you from your baby. Your mother have you in her hands. So, the pan her breast are sucky. You grow come up now and feel so you can't fool me. Okay, so all of the big people them, true we all and we bigger than Uno. Uno feel so we born big. Clear? Me not have crayfish brain. Me not born with me head big. Little girl, you see if a man, God, if a man here they come from, me I go tell your mother. And you know say your mama no have it, she have it real hard. And if you go take no man by your mama and breed, me I make sure say you go a cops. Me I tell your mama to go report your station. You're too out of that.
I want my friend they say for me about this one.
Clear? How much something you go tell me about the one story? One little question, you know. And you give me 10 different answers. First I shop, no a friend here they go. Which part else you go? Eh? Where else you did go? And a matter of fact where you left from and go now. If me never stop you. Little girl, me have kids too, you know. Me know so when you're not ready, you not lie. May I ask you one next question? You and your mother ever sit down and have a mother and daughter conversation yet? You need to build a relationship with your mother, make your mother can trust you. Right now your mother down in your yard. Your mother they down in her yard and stress out. Because she don't know where you're there. Everybody she see she asks for you. I don't understand that. You see when you no reach certain age, when you feel so you no feel listen parents again. Me no like that. So no one come kill her for no mama. Little girl, do not kill your mother and you're going to end up bury her. And that's how you go in this world. Our children fi come bury mama. And no mama bury pitney. It's wrong. I don't want to see you back nowhere on the road. You understand me? And I notice that they have your name down at the corner down there so they chat how clear this and clear that with one bag of man. If me ever pass you down there, you're sorry say your mother didn't know me. Because I go beat you like say you're my picnic. Go on off of the road and go on in your yard. And you know say any of your hungry can come over my yard come ask you for something to eat. Don't walk and beg no man now. Because then we beg your back. Beg your back. Go on in your yard. And you know say if you're hungry can come ask you for something to eat. You go pick it too bad. And I tell me know which part you're there. Look at bad now. Make a catch you back on the road and you will see.
Call her and see if she reaching it. I tell her you're rough.
Hello?
Yeah. You reach home, mate? Because I tell you so you know things set already, you know.
No.
Just I call you and check up on you because I know things set already, you know.
No, the neighbor there check on me and ask me to come for come question me.
Eh? So that means you get catch then?
No, I don't get catch, you know. I'm gone. You are gone.
Alright then, and I reach you and you text me.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Where this along? Come in, man. Yeah, my daughter, you know, say me have somebody for you meet though. Your real father. May I talk to you? I have somebody for you to meet with today. Or probably down the line, but your real father, me feel like it's a time for you know your real father.
Mommy, me can't bother, you know. Every minute I find one next man come say I'm a real father and then when me go, and I'm a real father. Me can't bother, I'm tired for you meet man you know. Too much man, mommy, too much man.
Be you mean I tired of be a man a come here? We are ranked, are we boxing? Look a girl. What? Don't pass a place with me. And I mean, you know life hard. Okay. You know me have it hard as a single mother, me alone. If you know what me I face, you shut your mouth. And don't make me hear you say that again. Don't rank yourself, girl.
But mommy, me know say you have it hard, you know. And nobody lick me in my face. Me just to speak the truth. Me know say you have it hard, but me can't bother share me there one bag of man day. Mommy, how will you teach me say? If you just get anybody and then just get anybody pick me? And that you try to teach me?
You ever watch the Maury show? People make mistakes in life. Don't you ever put yourself in my position. As a parent, me I try what's best for you as my daughter. I'm the one who say you go to school and you're out in the world and people I tell you about you don't have no father and this and that. Just to make it safe for you and me, just relax. I'm gonna allow you to meet your father and this one is the right one as me.
Mommy.
Well, on my phone a ring. See my all call same time. You see it? He connected to you already. He's your father. Accept it. Argument closed. Let's go. Hello? Yes. She's right here, you know. I'm gonna actually let you speak to her because just to make things a little tighter. Don't actually go into no details, don't extra details, just get familiar with her name and stuff. Make sure you get to know her and then we see where it goes, alright? Hold on.
Hello. Hello? Hi. You sure say I'm my father? Alright. Then I'm looking forward to meet you. Alright, make you back my phone.
Alright. Here what? You just have to come off of the road. Go and go wash up yourself and clean up yourself and take a rest. Alright?
Alright, mommy.
Close the door behind you. Be a one. What you do doing yourself? One your yard. Come here, one. Then I see some now and say call them me and ignore all. One before my daughter see you. One before my daughter. If you come from way out there, so you better go find your way in one young girl or one big woman or a cow or something. But don't come brown my lip.
Ashley, from morning me a call you, we out so me a come from, you know. You know say a farm me a come from just to see you. More find out if you're alright. You know say me love you, you know, man. You know say me love you, you know, Ashley. Me don't want nothing wrong to you. You alright? No one nothing wrong to you, man, come once. You understand? Look here, you know. Come right here, son.
Hey, dirty man, go on now, you see if I foolish things I call me for. You have 5 minutes me again.
Love you, you know.
What you want?
Love you, you know.
And that you call me to tell me?
Most want to find out if you're alright.
Me no look alright to you. Me no look well alright. Sir, I beg you go on before me set my dog them party.
Love you, you know. You know far me I come from. And I call the phone, the minute me I call the phone and not answer. Come more find out if you're alright. Cause nowadays when you can't get somebody from the phone now, they know it's a problem in it. I don't want nothing from you, you know.
Why you have to offer good me? You know look like me alright.
All I love you, just want to touch you. I just want to touch you. Come on now, come on.
Take time go on where you are before me come and set me dog party.
Ashley.
Yes, sir.